Hi, this is Kent Lau. Now, yesterday I did a training for a logistic company, and they gave me a sample of data, and I have these are no private confidential data. It's just a skeleton and some data, and I have done all that I can to change all the, all the items that can be identifiable. So you wouldn't know which company is it, and it's very general. Customers is ABC XYZ, as you know. So they are customers. So now the question is that, uh, based on this data set, what can you learn from there? I mean, you have the warehouse. Now, whenever you get a data, the first thing is that you need to study what is data about. So we have the it's about a warehouse. So logistic company will have a warehouse, and they will have a commodity, and each warehouse will have some lot. So same thing, they need to know what is the customer, and so there are containers, that containers, and they are by size. So this is something I know. Yeah, and there will be a job type also. There's something called loading. L is for loading, H is for handling, I is for import, and there's also something called export. So of course, right, the logistic company have import and export. So yes, so we will ask that the serial number is a number that is sealed at the container. It's a no, that's yeah. So we have a lot number. There's a quantity, and maybe this gross weight. It is net weight. Okay, net weight. This is my guessing. So I do have that. I have no idea what's tally number, tally date. I don't know what's that, but it's a date. Something to timestamp it for the items enter the warehouse or exit the warehouse. So it's very good that you record what is the data about, because you will not use it that I mean, yes, you are the creator of these tools, but you need a guide, because one day you will be promoted, one day you leave the company, then what's left? You need to think about that. So when you promoted, you need to explain again one more time. Yes, I think it's good to explain again, but you you might not remember much about what when the time you created the time. Okay, so always write some short descriptions. What is the column about, and yeah. So I basically turn this one whole line into one whole line into a row. Then we can start typing out what's the description about. So why what is this column about? Okay, what value can be stored, what value can be stored. So it's like a dictionary, and it is because as a programmer we learn to have a documentations, and we don't know why we want to document, because at that time I do not have the mindset as a strategic HR. Although I'm not a HR, but I do have that mindset by now. So you can see that this is a job type, and you can use that. So you can write down there what's warehouse, or what's this about. WH is actually warehouse. So then people will know that, oh, it's actually warehouse, and this is container. So CNTR container. Okay, maybe something like that. the truck number, seal number, seal. So you can write down there, or so if I guess is correct, then this is the gross weight. If I correct, guessly, I might not. Okay, net weight. And then there's a lot number, there's a lot. So you can see there's a, in fact, there's a color differently. So the lot and the locations, 100G, lot quantity, and there's a remark. And there's this 20, this is a 20 feet, 20 feet container in. And then this 40 feet container in. Well, look at that. This is just too amazing. This Excel just help you to get it done. Storage thing from container day. Oh no, right? But however, they don't know what is empty quantity in, quantity in. So it's not really helpful there. Yeah. Although it's just guess, but it may be not right. So 40 inch. So these are 40 inch out, 40 inch out. So that's quantity. So you can see that the first step of creating a useful tools is to understand your data. Okay, and thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia.